So, I mean, you're in the entertainment business. We know that COVID happened.
Yes.
I mean, you're still surviving. So what happened? Okay, tell me, what did you do? Because everyone had to pivot.
Yes.
Everyone had to pivot.
The famous word.
right. During that time. So, what did you do specifically that made you like stand out and you could keep going?
So, as you know, Sharon, and most people don't know, our pivot came in the way of virtual producing.
Okay.
Now, I call myself an event producer, a producer by trade. I just like to produce events and concerts and things of that nature. So I said, you know what? Let's actually take what we do to online. So we started producing on StreamYard, Twitch, and Happen, those virtual platforms. And we did our first virtual conference. COVID happened, March 2020. By June 2020, for my birthday, I wanted to do something virtually to celebrate since we were going to be in-house. Okay. So we had a concert. We had Alex Isley. We had Kevin Ross, Eric Robeson. We had Matthew Cherry's manager, Monica Young, come in and be a part of this one-day conference that we did, and we gave money to my alma mater, Bowie State. And so from there, I said, we're on to something. And then Tiffany and I had created our platform, our workshop platform, Crush Your Craft, back in 2018. And so we were programming at City Winery in D.C., and then, she said, let's take it to online. So if you know anything about Crush Your Craft, it's a workshop series about people having conversations about business, similar to what you're doing around your cooking show. And so we actually programmed about 30 people in a year's time, almost in a year's time, during COVID. So I will say the pivot for me was virtually producing. Then came producing stuff for, different Greek organizations and our organization. And it just kind of started to grow that way. And so the same way we did with taking our talents in producing, I started doing that for my clients. And so my clients started to perform virtually. Okay. And so Eric, he thrived. Maimuna, she thrived. And Kevin, he thrived during the virtual time frame and started teaching and having people book them that way, because now the one way to get people at home was to virtually produce something or book an artist. And I have artists, so come book with me.
She's the bomb.
And so that's how we pivoted. So now I offer virtual producing as a service in our event programming. So when I say event programming, that's a part of the hybrid too. Hybrid, the virtual and in-person programming. So that's how we pivoted.
Okay.